Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to add strike-through line in Apple Pages. Let's get started. Open a Pages document. Now select the text and go to Style and Format option. Select the style and click the bold, italic, underline drop down menu and check mark the strike through. If you want to remove this strike through line, just uncheck mark the strike through. Just select the text and check mark the strike through. If you want to remove this line, just select the text and uncheck mark the strike through. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.